Sometimes you need imagination to see the big picture. Introducing the new portable clamping workstation from Keter Tools. A sturdy work surface, easy to work on anywhere, quick and easy to set up and adjust. A built-in clamping system. Portable clamping workstation from Keter Tools. Use it. Enjoy it.
Introducing the new track saw from DeWalt. The unique saw that offers the precision and quality of cut found in a table saw, along with the versatility and portability of a circular saw. For remodelers, cabinet makers, and woodworkers, the DeWalt track saw offers a better way to get the job done, saving time, money, and effort. With the innovative DeWalt track saw, precise and accurate cutting of sheet goods, doors, wood flooring, and other materials can be performed quickly and easily. Large sheet goods can be quickly and easily cut to size, or cut at any angle by just one person, without helpers or additional outrigging. The track system allows for perfectly straight, splinter-free cuts every time. It's fast and easy to set up, and the zero clearance edge provides a clear indication of the cut position before the cut is ever made. Weighing in at 12 pounds, the DeWalt track saw delivers an unparalleled combination of precision and portability, delivers smooth, splinter-free edges with no tear out, just like a table saw. Rip, cross-cut, miter, bevel, or compound miter with confidence. Using the DeWalt track saw means a quality cut time after time. Table saw precision, job site portability, and easy one-man operation put the DeWalt track saw in a category all to itself.
These are the Bosch 3725 DEVS and 3727 DEVS 5-inch and 6-inch random orbit sanders. Finish carpenters, cabinet makers, woodworkers, and others will find that these sanders can give them the precise results they desire. An optimal combination of pad orbit and rotation delivers fast removal and a well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. The powerful 3.3 amp motor supplies 4,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, so you can dial in a speed for your specific sanding job. The soft microcellular backing pad contours for a smooth, fine finish on a wide variety of materials and surfaces. The 3725 DEVS and 3727 DEVS are compatible with the industry standard 8-hole 5-inch and 6-hole 6-inch hook and loop discs, respectively. Stay comfortable during extended use with the multi-grip locations, including the soft grip top and front and rear handles. With low vibration and a smooth run, fatigue and discomfort are a thing of the past. The included microfilter dust canister with integrated paper filter provides optimal fine dust filtration. Able to trap particles down to a ½ micron in diameter, this keeps your workspace clean and helps protect you from harmful dust. An adapter sold separately allows connection to vacuum cleaner hoses. So, here are the Bosch 3725 DEVS and 3727 DEVS random orbit sanders. For more information on these tools, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.